Welcome to Erode, a vibrant city in Tamil Nadu known as the textile capital of South India. Famous for its rich heritage in handloom weaving, Erode is also celebrated for its delicious local cuisine, especially the famous Erode turmeric. Join us as we explore 15 amazing facts that will introduce you to the beauty and uniqueness of Erode. Fact number 1. Erode Fort, built in the 18th century, has a rich history linked to the Marathas and serves as a reminder of the city's strategic importance. Fact number 2. Erode is known as the Turmeric City due to its extensive turmeric production. It contributes significantly to India's turmeric exports. Number 3. The city is home to numerous ancient temples, including the famous Bhavani Sangameshwara temple, which attracts thousands of pilgrims. Fact number 4. Erode's markets are bustling with activity, offering everything from spices to textiles, showcasing the city's vibrant trade culture. Fact number 5. The city celebrates festivals like Pongal and Deepavali with great enthusiasm, featuring colourful decorations and traditional sweets. Fact number 6. Erode boasts several esteemed educational institutions, contributing to the literacy and educational advancements in the region. Number 7. The surrounding region is rich in biodiversity, with various flora and fauna, making it a great spot for nature lovers. Fact number 8. Erode is known for its traditional arts, especially Bharatanatyam and other classical dance forms, reflecting the cultural heritage of Tamil Nadu. Fact number 9. The city is also famous for its textile industry, particularly cotton and silk, contributing significantly to the local economy. Fact number 10. Erode's cuisine is delicious, featuring unique dishes like Erode halwa and spicy curry preparations that are loved by locals and visitors alike. Fact number 11. Erode is located near major rivers like the Bhavani and Kaveri, which are vital for irrigation and local agriculture. Fact number 12. The city is home to skilled artisans who create beautiful handicrafts, including hand-woven textiles and intricate jewellery. Fact number 13. Erode has several historical monuments that tell the story of its rich past, including colonial architecture and heritage sites. Fact number 14. Nearby wildlife sanctuaries, such as the Sathyamangalam Tiger Reserve, are perfect for wildlife enthusiasts looking to explore the area's natural beauty. Fact number 15. Erode is a city that beautifully blends tradition with modernity, making it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Tamil Nadu. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these facts about Erode, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting content, and share your favourite fact in the comments below.